Learn Excel from Mr. Excel podcast, episode 2269, subtotal 9 versus 109. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. I was in Omaha doing a Power Excel seminar, and a question came up about this formula here, the subtotal 9 formula. They said, what's the difference between 9 and 109? And let me illustrate this. So the subtotal 9 is designed for when you're hiding rows by filtering. All right, so if I would filter to just the red team, that 8898 changes to 6106, or if I choose just the blue team, then that subtotal is working great. All right, but if it's not a filter, right? If we just have all the data and I'm randomly hiding rows, so right here, Alt O-R H, and I've hidden the row. See, that 8098 is not getting rid of the things that I manually hid. So what I have to do is come in here and say subtotal 109, like this, 109. And now it will respect the things that I manually hid. All right, and this is explained in Excel help, the 1 to 11 versus 101 to 111, and there's 11 functions there. 9 is the one for some. That's the one I use most often. Now, what's interesting here is when I first did this, I actually think that there's a bug here, because if I go to 9, just the 9 formula, and that should include everything. We'll format row unhide, Alt O RU, format row unhide, apply the filter again, and the first thing I do, so we're at 8098. First thing I do is I choose a filter. Let's take guava and elderberry out. All right, so the number updates, but then I'm going to further hide something. I'm going to take this cherry and format row hide, and that number updated, right? That's not supposed to happen. I'm using the 9. It's not supposed to ignore the hidden things, but apparently because I've already filtered, now 9 is doing both things that are filtered and things that I manually hid, which seems to be a bug. I'll have to pass that on to the Excel team. Kind of a weird one there. So, all right, so to whoever asked me that question in Omaha, there's the solution. And hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.